Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? Just coming with a little update, man. Tried to get fresh for the 4th, so I got my shit redone, as y'all can see, man. I added some color to some of my tips, man, like a little blonde color or whatever, but you know, let's do something different, man. So I'm gonna let y'all see the back real quick. You know, that's what I'm looking like a cool ass chia pet, nigga. I'm cool. I got the little tube going to the back, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my stylist, Brandy, man. She always fuck with your boy, get me in there, man. Like I said, man, I just been chilling lately. You know, got that Indian flute in the background. You know, y'all don't know about that though. But yeah, like I said, man, just wanted to come with another update. You know what I'm saying? Just let y'all know what's going on. I'll check the progress in, you know what I'm saying? I really dig it though. She did the 2 braids, you know what I'm saying, to the back. They all connected. This shit clean as hell. But yeah, man, kind of like my other one, my past one or whatever. But you know, like I said, man, I'm satisfied, man. And y'all be blessed, man, and have a happy 4th. Just wanted to come with this quick update, man. Be easy.